Welcome back to my channel, you guys. I am so excited to make this food today. I don't know. I'm so happy. I haven't eaten that in a while. It's been like 10, 11 years since I haven't eaten that food. Maybe since I left home. Maybe more than that. But yeah, I haven't eaten that food in a long. I won't eat that. So, um, oh, why am I keep talking? I don't even say hey to you guys. Yeah, hey guys. Thank you for being patient with me because I haven't been posting no videos. I don't know. And also I do want to say thank you for the new subscribers. I do see that I have some new subscribers, new friends in the building. Hello. Oh my god, why am I doing it? I think it's my spray that I did put in me before. I get to bed, so that's why I'm like fake, like that. But yeah, I'm sorry for that. Yeah, jeudi à moi, qui moi je n'ai fait jeudi là. Yeah, sauce viande beurre, forcément avec du ricola, c'est ma poivre. J'ai un bon, les bons ben, quand même passer dans la bouche quand il y a d'aller dans la frigidaire, alors moi je mange. Mais non, on va faire ça. Yeah, but it's crazy. Qui j'aime dire m'a fait vidéo, chacun m'a fait vidéo, m'a posté vidéo, bah j'aime faire. Me fait un pile différents goals, I shift them. My video, but fair video, I did it, posted it. Yeah. Par contre, si on moyen 5 minutes dans ça, ou bien moins 2. Comme moi, j'aime faire de l'école, but you know, decide. But yeah, welcome again. If you're new here, welcome. Get your chair. Let's learn how to cook Haitian food. If you're not Haitian, or if you Haitian, I mean, there's something that I say. Everybody cook differently, so yeah, let's learn how to make some Haitian food. If you new, if you're not, like, I make food and sometimes do some short videos or sometimes do a video about me. What does I do after that? But it's not up to me now. I just flip the card around. Film corner, whatever that you guys want to see, and I can film the video. What if it's about my business? I can always film whatever you guys want to see. It's up to you guys. So yeah, and I will put all of my stuff that I use on the food on my video. So do want to let you guys know that. Mas vai saber, não já, oh, da sala mas já sabe também. Oh, yeah, I would like to. If there's any Kindle lovers in this platform that gonna watch my videos, and I also do make homemade candles, you guys can head over to my website and grab you some candle, you know, smell good. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I don't really have much going on. Oh, look at the food. Okay, you guys have a great day. Love you guys. Bye. See you next time.